STIIIZY is the largest cannabis retailer in the state of California. We have 37 stores in the state of California and 3 in the state of Michigan.
I would say the biggest challenge in managing multiple locations would be to make sure that all the stores are running the same.
Before we moved over to Flowhub, if you would go to any of our 40 different stores, you would have 40 different consumer profiles. It makes it a little bit difficult for us to provide recommendations for you, and it also makes it difficult for us to provide a high level of customer service.
Flowhub helps us to maintain the consistency across the board by allowing us to manage all stores from one place.
The changes were pretty immediate. The Flowhub team was great in working with us, and they helped us unify the customer profiles and everything. The engagement was very helpful. Before Flowhub, we had some challenges with data. We would have to have analysts pulling reports out of 40 different retails. So that's 40 reports just for products, 40 reports just for consumers, and then unifying all that data. We were reaching a point where we were essentially doubling staff just to keep up with the data input, the data pull, and analyzing it, and then providing that stuff to our board and founders. The Flowhub team solved that for us in a month. When we moved off of the old point of sale system, I think we were close to 2.7 million profiles. After the deduplication, we're at about 1.7 million unique customers now. The Flowhub team also made it quite easy. They did rapid meetings with our teams to make sure everybody was essentially on board with information before they got on board physically with the system.
My experience working with the Flowhub team has been great. I definitely have them on speed dial, so I am able to give them a call and they're able to help out. One thing that made Flowhub stand apart from the rest of the systems is how easy it is to learn. We did 34 locations in 2.5 months, and we only gave the stores 2 days of training.
And it just seemed too easy, and I think the most exciting part of it was the inventory processes. Those are pretty much our most time-consuming processes for any position within retail. So having to see this is going to make our job so much faster and easier was awesome, and the teams were super excited about it.
The View app is very helpful, especially on days off when I want to check in on a Saturday, 10 p.m. I could just check on my phone and I'm able to see every single location, so that's been amazing.
Definitely just from starting to receive the actual drops themselves, counting all the products and then going ahead and checking it into Metric. Cool thing about it is once you check it into Metric, it automatically updates on the Manifest tab within Flowhub.
We are a pretty large organization, and we found that of the major players, that Flowhub has worked best for us.